Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Cynthia of Cynthia Plans, and this week we are planning the week of January 27th through February 2nd. It's the first week in the February month, so we're going to go ahead, and even though it's technically the bulk of the week is January, we're going to go ahead and move into February this month in the Erin Condren LifePlanner. So this week I'll be planning with a kit from my newest addiction, and more about that in just a second. Let's go ahead and get started. So as I mentioned, I'm planning with a kit from my newest addiction. I purchased this kit in person at the Let's Flamingo Beaches event that we held earlier this month in January. I'm filming this video on January 26th, so it'll be live by the 28th. And this kit is a rose gold foiled kit from Laura at my newest addiction. And I really like this kit for this time of year. It's got like very kind of like lighter tones to it, so it's got gray, some mauve, a little bit of pink, and even a little bit of purple. So it feels like temperature wise very in line with what January as a month I guess feels like. It's also called my quiet afternoon, so it's like a little bit cozy, a little bit of just kind of like a restfulness kind of vibe to it. So those are the fill boxes there, and then we've got some date covers here. This here, or actually these are numbers for the date covers, and these are the date covers. Some washi strips, some icons. She is known for these little like kind of like hair bows. She incorporates them a lot into different products that she has. She's also known for her foiling. Then we've got some functional stickers here, so half boxes, quarter boxes, checklist, and then these little boxes that are kind of like a quarter box size too, that have like either this watercolor kind of pattern or one of the pieces of artwork from the kit, which I think is really pretty. So again, I bought this from her in person, and this is what I'll be using to plan this week. I'm really excited about it. Last week was, let me go back to it, also kind of more of a like neutral color tone, and that's kind of where I want to be right now. I almost picked a different kit for this plan with me that was a little bit brighter, and I like it a lot. It's just like, I don't know, I kind of need something more simple right now, something that's not like, it's gonna be pretty, it's gonna look decorative, and I'm gonna be happy with how it looks, but not like scream in my face color. I kind of need a break from that a little bit. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead, grab this white out, and get started. So something I want to just quickly mention about these stickers, in case it wasn't obvious when I was moving these around, these are actually clear stickers, and so it's just foiling on a clear sticker, which is why the watercolor background is still showing up behind all of them, which I think is really clever, and I like that she does that in her design. I'm going to be honest with you guys, for this video, I don't know how long it'll be or how much content there will be, because I was actually not supposed to be in Orlando this week. My husband and I were supposed to be going to Las Vegas and actually leave this morning, and I can't remember if I've already mentioned this on my plan with me or not, but we just decided to cancel our trip because there's a pretty big job fair happening at school this week, and my husband is in his second to last semester at school, and he really would like to land some kind of internship. So he didn't really want to be on a trip and kind of dealing with the guilt and anxiety of, you know, missing out on that opportunity to possibly land an internship. He just really felt like it would be just not a really great and super enjoyable trip for him if he did that, and that was really responsible of him, which I respected. And I'll also be honest about the fact that I was not super happy when he told me he wanted to cancel the trip, because I had been looking forward to it. It was going to be kind of like my treat after finishing Let's Flamingo Beaches, but unfortunately, you know, we kind of have to adult and be responsible, and it's my hope that because we have made this sacrifice, one of many that we've made in this journey on his school track and everything like that, that this means this week will hopefully be the week that he lands an internship. So we'll see what happens, and obviously if that does happen, I will let all of you know, because I'll be super excited about it. But yeah, that's what we're looking at this week, and like I said, it's kind of a bummer, but adulting comes first, and in the long run it'll help me save some money right now, which is always a good thing, and especially as I'm trying to be more disciplined about that with my goal of, you know, saving some more money in the next year and a half to hopefully, I don't know if I've said this on camera, but it's actually my goal to be able to quit in 2 years at my job and be able to freelance for myself full time. And in order to do that, I really would like to save up at least a year's salary from my job, and I'm nowhere near where I would like to be on that goal right now. So it's going to take some really getting serious about my finances in order to be able to do that. And so any little bit that I can do to help myself save some money, I'm definitely going to be trying to be more mindful of that. So yeah, it's nothing particularly wrong with my job. I just feel like I've outgrown the organization a little bit, and my position probably a little bit too. And I've just come to realize that I feel super fulfilled and happy and excited when I get to stay home, or if I take a day off and work on work for friends and clients, and I'm not feeling that kind of passion when I'm at my day job anymore. And I've been at the library where I work for almost 10 years now, and I just feel like I'm kind of getting to an age in this new decade in my life. I'm going to be 30 later this year, where I just want to do something different. So hopefully I'll be able to do that in the not too distant future, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm putting that out there in the universe. It's also, you know, on my vision board, it's in my power sheets and everything like that. So you know, I think us canceling that trip could have been a blessing in disguise that I kind of have a feeling that's what it's going to end up being, but maybe can't see the full fruits of that just yet. So anyway, I'm gonna stop talking about all of this, but you know, I do also want you guys to have a little bit of insight into what's going on with me besides just what I'm putting in my planner, and you know, what I'm not putting in my planner. I'm not putting a ton of stuff in this week, and that's usually not like me, but obviously I made it a point to not make any plans, expecting that I would be out of town and really not even coming back home till Wednesday and being off on Thursday to kind of recuperate from being in Vegas for a couple of days. So I have basically nothing on my calendar this week. So literally there's like a few things here that I put on my list, and most of them are not actual plans. They're just like little reminders to myself. So yeah, but Coffee Monday, I'm gonna stop. And this sticker here is also a rose gold foil sticker. It's actually from Sweet Bean Plans. I've got a whole sheet of these, and obviously I'm just getting to using them. So I'm excited to have all of this kind of tie in together and have, you know, not only one but 2 Florida shops in this spread now. Friday night, I may be going to dinner for my cousin's birthday. I'm not sure yet. I'd love to be able to go, but it just depends on whether or not my brother-in-law can and is willing to watch my son, and if he is, then I'll probably go, but if not, then I'm sure I can keep myself busy in other ways on Friday. I have a lot of blog content that I want to work on for February, and I could definitely get a head start on doing a lot of that on Friday. I'm actually supplementing this little sticker kit here, or sticker sheet here with this sticker here with the sticker sheet from my newest addiction. So actually I already had this for quite a while, so it's kind of cool that I get to put these 2 things together. Came off very easily. I did take some extra care with it because I always try to do that, but FYI, if you ever want to use some stickers from Laura and you are worried about, you know, well, sometimes I change my mind about stuff, you can absolutely move her stickers and not have any issue. I'm I'm sure most people know, Sunday is the Super Bowl, and neither teams are my husband's team, but he does like football, and it's just kind of an event for us to be able to watch. And I love Jennifer Lopez, and my husband, like a lot of guys, really like Shakira, so we're both pretty excited about the game as far as the entertainment, and also the two teams that are playing. They're both really good teams this year, and if you're a Patriots fan, don't be mad at me, but I think both of us are just excited to see a Super Bowl without the Patriots for a change. And so what I'm doing here, which I've done in a previous plan with me, is I've got these stickers from the Smushed Peach, and I had the smaller footballs, but I've since run out of them and I need to reorder, but I kind of want to get through this sheet before I do that. So I just cut off the game day part, since I obviously am going to write Super Bowl in here. So I kind of disappeared for a second. I thought I had some extra habit tracker stickers, and I'm pretty sure I do. I just can't seem to find them. So this sticker is from Adorably, Amy Designs. The colors are similar, so I'm gonna kind of sub in some of the stickers I have from her this week. This is going to be my productivity tracker as usual. I'm going to put these full boxes down in here, since I'm not really sure that there's much else to put. Here's a habit tracked sticker I totally overlooked, so I actually don't need to go find one. I have something right here. The turbos are very identifiable. I think I'm gonna stick with her washi strips for the week. I do think though that I might try to find some Simply Gilded washi, probably just even rose gold white, and fill in this spot here because it just looks really plain. So 1 second please. Okay, so I pulled two options, one of which does have rose gold foil in it. The other one is kind of like hollow silver, which I don't know if the gray is cool, I just don't think the foil is gonna work, so. Let the awkward sticking peeling that happened over here not be a reflection of Laura's stickers. They do peel away just fine. It's just because this one wasn't just like a basic shape, and I'm still trying to get my nails to grow out a little bit more. It was just hard to peel back. Then I'm gonna add this checklist here from Amy, Adorably Amy, because there are some things that I definitely need to do this week, but I don't necessarily need them to be in my spread. Okay, so those are probably all the stickers I'm gonna have in here. It's already feeling full, but I still feel like it's less stuff than I've been having the last couple of weeks. My stickers on this sidebar are all kinds of crooked. They're like not even lined up, whatever. I'm trying to make use of this area more and then not overdo it too much in the spread. Of course, I do feel like I have everything that I need in here, but it's not overwhelming to look at. So, like I said, I'm going to keep this one sticker open because I'm not sure what my plans on Friday are going to be or not yet. But that's basically it. So if this is your first time being here on my channel, thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for coming back every single week to watch my videos. You guys are the best, and you definitely keep me motivated week to week to publish more content. So with that, I hope you guys have a lovely week, and I will see you back next Tuesday for yet another Plan with me. Have a good day.